Hi everyone, my name is ERAN KINSBRUNER. I'm a DevOps Chief Evangelist and author at Perforce, and I'm happy to conclude 2020 and give you just a glimpse of what to expect in 2021 from a software testing and quality perspective. Um, just a word about myself. I'm an author of these three books and almost 20 years in the software development and testing. I hope that you are following me. If you don't, feel free to do so and engage with me through all social media. So if to look at the main things that are trending towards the end of 2020 and are about to impact 2021, obviously there are a bit more than just these six things, but I wanted to focus on these items. The first one, and we have started seeing it in iOS 14, is the rise of different digital applications, starting with Apple App Clips. Apple App Clips are a short and a very condensed application type developed through iOS, but it does not require the user to really install anything on his device from the App Store. He's going to be able to get this snippet of an app through a text message, NFC tag, or a Safari URL. So this is a new way of engaging with applications and obviously the users. And Apple are not the first, but are actually rising with these new types of application. So obviously, I recommend to start focusing on testing and learning about these application types. The next things is the rise, and we have seen it in 2020, of foldable smartphones. Right now, it's mostly Android with Samsung, LG, Huawei, and a few other vendors like Motorola. But there are already rumors of Apple looking into foldables towards 2022. So learning the space of foldables, how to test them, what are the different view types of the screens, is obviously recommended if you are in the mobile space. If you're in the web space, what we have seen in the last 1.5 years is the rise of progressive web applications. These PWAs are also a new way of engaging with the users without really going through any of the mobile app stores. It's a shortcut, it's a link from a website to your mobile device, but this website application has a significant number of capabilities, rich capabilities like push notifications and offline caching, and engagement with the sensors of the mobile device, access to the contact list, and many other mobile specific capabilities that you can get through a simple JavaScript web application. So PWAs are transforming the way web applications are being developed, and it's really important that you start learning how to transition your responsive web app and testing towards progressive web. In a similar way that Apple developed app clips, Android are looking at Android or Google are looking at Android APKs. APKs are a zip file of small sized Android applications which are specifically tailored to a device, a location, and specific features that are being served through these different specific devices. So you can think about an APKs as really a bundle of different small Android applications which vary between themselves by the features that the developers decided to give or to support for these specific small APKs apps. So Android APKs, Apple App Clips, foldables, and PWAs are obviously new ways of engaging with users through digital channels, mobile and web. But from a testing perspective, also on these platforms and application types, what we have started seeing in the last year or so, and it's going to be very, very critical in 2021, is the way of analyzing test reports, big data, test impact analysis, how to look at test results and really understand or get into decision-making process in a smarter way so you can decide what to test on the next regression cycle, what to test from a platform coverage perspective or other test coverage perspective. So TIA or test impact analysis, smarter testing, root cause analysis in an automated fashion through machine learning are going to be very critical in 2021. And last but not least is the rise of scriptless and intelligent test automation, either codeless, autonomous testing, or a mix of few capabilities with self-healing. We have been hearing about it for so long. I believe that 2021 is going to transform this landscape of scriptless test automation vendors and tools, but also going to give an additional benefit to these business testers in the shape of a low code or sometimes even no code test automation creation tool chain. So these are my 6 predictions or items to focus on in 2021. I hope you have a very good, healthy, and successful year in 2021 and beyond. Thank you so much.